gas cooktop, dishwasher, microwave and wine refrigerator. Dishwasher, gas cooktop and oven, microwave and wine refrigerator. Gas cooktop, oven, dishwasher, microwave and wine refrigerator. Dishwasher, oven, gas cooktop, an appliance garage. Microwave, wine cooler also included. Gas cooktop, oven, dishwasher, wine refrigerator, and microwave included. Cabinetry and a suite of Miele appliances, including dishwasher, cooktop, oven, refrigerator, and freezer. The island also has wine refrigerator and microwave. Gas cooktop and oven, dishwasher, wine refrigerator and microwave are located in the island. Cooktop, oven, and dishwasher. In the island we have our microwave and wine refrigerator. Freezer, dishwasher, gas cooktop and oven. Italian marble countertop with full height backsplash. Our optional upgraded island includes additional shelving, storage, and a wine refrigerator and microwave.